Class 10 NCERT Maths, Chapter number 13, Surface Areas and Volumes, Exercise number 13.1, Question number 6. A medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its ends. It is given in figure 13.10. The length of the entire capsule is 14 mm and the diameter of the capsule is 5 mm. Find its surface area. According to the question, radius r of the cylindrical part equal to radius r of the hemispherical part. So radius will be 5 by 2. Length of the cylindrical part h equal to length of the entire capsule minus 2r. So it is equal to 9 mm. Now surface area of capsule equal to 2 multiplied by curved surface area of hemispherical part plus curved surface area of cylindrical part. Now curved surface area of cylinder equal to 2 pi RH, curved surface area of hemisphere equal to 2 pi r square. So our answer will be 2 multiplied 2 pi r square plus 2 pi RH. Now keeping the value of r and h, 4 pi 5 by 2 whole square plus 2 pi into 5 by 2 multiplied by 9. So it will be 25 pi plus 45 pi. So 70 pi. So 70 multiplied 22 upon 7. So our answer will be 220 millimeter square. Therefore surface area of capsule equal to 220 millimeter square. Question number 7. A tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. If the height and diameter of the cylindrical part are 2.1 meter and 4 meter respectively, and slant height of the top is 2.8 meter, find the area of the canvas used for making the tent. Also find the cost of the canvas of the tent at the rate of rupees 500 per meter square. Note that the base of the tent will not be covered with canvas. Height of the cylindrical part equal to 2.1 meter. Diameter of the cylindrical part equal to 4 meter. Therefore radius of the cylindrical part equal to 2 meter. Slant height L equal to 2.8 meter. Now here in figure it is given. Now area of canvas used equal to curved surface area of conical part plus curved surface area of cylindrical part. So formula will be pi RL plus 2 pi RH. Now keeping the value of R and H and also L, we are getting pi multiplied 2 multiplied 2.8 plus 2 pi multiplied 2 multiplied 2.1. Now taking 2 pi common, then into bracket 2.8 plus 2 multiplied 2.1. So it will be 2 pi multiplied by 7, then 2 multiplied 22 upon 7 multiplied 7. So answer will be 44 meter square. Cost of 1 meter square canvas equal to rupees 500. Therefore cost of 44 meter square canvas equal to 44 multiply 500. So total cost will be rupees 22,000. Question 8. From a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 cm and diameter 1.4 cm, a conical cavity of the same height and the same diameter is hollowed out. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square. Now as given in the figure, this black color portion is taken out. Now height of the cylindrical part equal to height of the conical part, it is equal to 2.4 cm. Diameter of the cylindrical part equal to 1.4 cm. Therefore radius of the cylindrical part equal to 0.7 cm. We know that the slant height of the cone equal to L equal to under root r square plus h square. So slant height will be L equal to under root 0.7 square plus 2.4 square. So it will be under root 4.49 plus 5.76. So slant height will be 2.5. Total surface area of the remaining solid will be curved surface area of cylindrical part plus curved surface area of conical part plus area of the cylindrical base. So formula will be 2 pi RH plus pi RL plus pi R square. Now keeping the value of R, H and L, we are getting our final solution will be 10.56 plus 5.50 plus 1.54. So after getting the addition, we are getting 17.60 centimeter square. Hence the total surface area of the remaining solid is 17.60 centimeter square. Question number 9. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder as shown in figure 13.11. If the height of the cylinder is 10 cm and its base radius is 3.5 cm, find the total surface area of the article. Here top and bottom of cylinder are carved out in the form of hemisphere. So radius of cylindrical part 3.5 cm, radius of hemispherical part it is also 3.5 cm, height of cylindrical part h equal to 10 cm, surface area of article equal to curved surface area of cylindrical part plus 2 multiplied by curved surface area of hemispherical part, because here top and bottom are hemispherical part. So formula will be 2 pi RH plus 2 multiplied 2 pi R square. Now keeping the value of R and H in formula, 2 pi multiply 3.5 multiply 10 plus 2 multiply 2 pi multiply 3.5 multiply 3.5. So answer will be 70 pi plus 49 pi. So 119 pi, and value of pi will be 22 upon 7. So keeping the value 119 multiply 22 upon 7 and cancellation of 7 17s are, so 17 multiply 22, 374 centimeter square. Hence the total surface area of the article is 374 centimeter square.